make your bubble pop, make it pop.
Hey guys, welcome to Jack Swish here. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a tutorial video. This has been requested by a lot of people that know me outside of YouTube. But I have like quite a few party tricks and random things that I can do. One of them is that I can kind of hear sounds and then be able to replicate them. And there was the one time where I heard some bubbles and I was like, oh, I can make that sound. And I've never tried it before and I managed to do it. And people were like, oh, what? So like, this could be a nice little party trick for you guys if you want to say to someone, well, I can make the sound of bubbles. So without further ado, let's get on to it. We've got probably about 4 different popping sounds, and they vary in different speeds. I kind of just was playing around with my voice and my mouth. I like to beatbox, and I've taught myself how to beatbox throughout the years because I've just found it interesting how the voice is an instrument, or your body is. The first one, all you're gonna need is one finger. This index finger here will do perfectly. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in your mouth and you're just gonna flick your cheek. You've probably heard this sound before or seen someone do this. This is probably the most common bubble noise. Here we go. So it's pretty simple, so you can keep going with that, like. But you've got another one here that you can do no-handed. And all you need to do is basically put your lips behind your teeth, and then you're gonna push with force and make a p noise. See, I just did it instantly. You make a p noise, but with it being inside your mouth and you pushing it out with the air, you'll make the pop noise. So you can do this. It's quite easy, so you can go. So there you go. So that's 2 of the sounds. So we'll go on to the 3rd and 4th sound now. And these are like multiple pops. The first one, what you need to do is you need to have a loose lip. So just drop your lip a little bit. Don't like tense it or anything. Just make it a bit more droopier than it normally is, your bottom lip. And then you're gonna take 2 fingers this time. These will do. And then you gotta imagine that you're running with your fingers, but you're gonna do that on your lip. I'm gonna drop my lip a little. And then all I'm gonna do is. And obviously you can play around with the speed of that with the. So moving on to the last one, this is probably my favourite bubble noise. Bit strange saying that in a sentence. If you imagined like loads of bubbles all together and they're all gonna pop, that's basically the sound that you can portray through your mouth. All you're gonna need from this is your lips and 1 finger. And this one's a bit more complex than the other ones, but it's quite easy to do with a few minutes of trying. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put both lips out this time, but not like extend them too much so they're hard. You've got to like loosen them a little bit. So you've got your natural position and you're just gonna move it out a little bit more. So it doesn't feel like your lips are straining at all. And then you're gonna take this 1 finger, your index finger, whatever hand's your preference, doesn't matter. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna relax those lips and you're gonna move your finger up and down, okay? And this will basically do the sound of popping. So we'll show you what that's like. Right, so as you can see, that sounds like there's a lot of popping going on. But what I like to do as an added to this is that you've got your tongue obviously at the back of your mouth when you're doing this. Haven't got your tongue out like, you've got it like back in your mouth. You're gonna push your tongue slowly towards your teeth when you're doing this, and it will basically make all the bubbles sound like they're popping to an eventual finish, which is a lot better than just where it's continuous. So let's try it. So same again, relax the lips, you're gonna use your finger, and then you're gonna go up and down, but this time move your tongue slowly towards your teeth. Here we go. So it sounds like there's like, it's accelerating in its popping, and yeah, and it basically finishes. So let's do that again. So when you want to finish it, just bring the tongue forward. So you can keep going like, then you're going to move your tongue out. There you go. You can bubble noise. You can bubble noise now. You'll know how to do it. I don't know which circumstances this will become life-saving, but it might be a good party trick to tell people. It's a bit different. So there you have it. Once you get practicing, you'll be on your way with bubble noises. You can put them all together if you want. Let's just try something like that, right? Okay. So we go. What is life? What is life? Sorry I'm looking up there. I've just like got some ladybugs crawling on this window in front of me. And it's super distracting, look. They look like they're flying and everything. It's very bizarre. So, forget Spider-Man. Don't worry, Ladybird Man will save us. That's super distracting. Thanks for watching, guys. I know it's been a bit of a random video, but welcome to the weird and wonderful world of Jack Swish. Make sure that you like this video and you subscribe down below. Turn on notifications, like click the little bell, and then you'll be notified when I upload another random video. So, thanks for watching yet again, and until next time, Swish out.
Make sure you subscribe.
Smash that like button. Go on, do it.
Oh yeah.